Let's start with few problems based on whatever topics you have studied so far. Fair enough? Now let's look at the first one. See here, the question says aij is equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. Correct? Now here we are trying to create a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Okay, all the three questions, it's a 3 cross 3 matrix and you have to frame a matrix for it. Okay, let me show how to solve this one. See, the first one, it says aij is equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. Now, a 3 cross 3 matrix, see, so we are looking at the first one, correct? So, let's start with the first one. For the first one, see, you have aij, correct? Now, whenever we talk about aij, I is the row, j is the column, correct? Ith row and jth column. Now, for a 3 cross 3 matrix, you have 3 rows, 3 columns. That means to get the element, the first element is basically A11. First row, first column. Put I and j as 1 and 1. Because see, aij is what? I plus j whole square divided by 2. So, A11 will become 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. 2 square by 2, which basically give you a value of 2. Correct? Now, same thing, A12. Like this, we have to do for all the elements. Correct? So, A12 is going to become 1 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. 3 square is 9, 9 by 2. Okay, 9 by 2. Next, A13, this is going to become 1 plus 3 whole square divided by 2. 4 square is 16. 16 by 2 is 8. So, we got like this. Next, A23. You can directly do it if you know it. Okay, so this is going to become 5 square, which is 25 by 2. Next, okay, now I think I directly did A23. It should have been A21 though. Okay, now we'll do A21. So, A21 is equal to 2 plus 1. Again, 3 square, 9 by 2. A22, this is going to become 4 square divided by 2, which is 8. Now, we'll do it here. A31 is equal to, again, 3 plus 1 is 4. This becomes 8. A32, this is going to become 25 by 2. And A33 is going to become 18. 36 by 2 is 18. Now we have all the values. You just have to substitute the values in the matrix form. That's it. Okay. So now let's do this one. Okay, let's look at this one. So what you're going to have. So let me just write the matrix here itself. So first matrix A is equal to. The first one is 2. First row, first column. Second one, 9 by 2. Third one, 8. So you're going to have a matrix like this. 3 cross 3, right? The next one, A21 is equal to 9 by 2. A22 is equal to 8. 25 by 2. Next is 25 by 2. Oh, sorry. I think the next one is supposed to be 8, correct? So, next one is 8. 25 by 2. And the last one is 18. So, you're going to have a matrix like this. Fair enough. This is the answer for the first one. Likewise, let's do the next two problems. See the next one. You have second one. Aij is equal to I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. Again the same logic. So you have A11 is equal to 1 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. 3 square is 9. You are going to get 9 by 2. Next, A12 is equal to 1 plus 4 whole square divided by 2. 25 by 2. A13 is equal to 1 plus 6 whole square divided by 2, which is going to give you 49 divided by 2. Correct? Next, likewise, we'll do for A21. 2 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. 4 square is 16 by 2 is 8. Now, if you guys can solve it directly, Go ahead and do it. This is going to become 2 plus 3 into 2 is 6 whole square divided by 2. 64 divided by 2 is 32. Okay. The next one is A22. Okay. We were supposed to do A22. It's fine. A22 is going to become 2 plus 4 whole square divided by 2, which is 18. Alright. The next one is A31. So here we'll write the A31 here. A31, this is going to become 3 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. Correct? So in place of I you put 3, in place of j you put 1. So 3 plus 2 is 5 square divided by 2 is 25 divided by 2. A32, this is going to become 3 plus 4 whole square divided by 2. 49 divided by 2. Then finally A33, this is going to become 3 plus 3 into 2 is 6 whole square divided by 2, which is 81 divided by 2. Now finally we can write matrix A is equal to, the first value is 9 by 2, next one 25 by 2, next one 49 by 2. Fair enough? The next one, A21 is 8, 18, 32. Next is 25 by 2, 49 by 2, 81 divided by 2. This is going to be the answer for the second one. Alright, let's do the next one, third one. Again, look at the third one. So for the third one, you have Aij is equal to half of minus 3i plus j. Correct? Now here, guys, directly you can do it because two problems we have solved it in detail. This one you guys can do it directly. Okay, so you're going to have A11 is equal to, so you can have half of, okay, for the first one I'll show it to you, minus 3 plus 1. Minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. Okay, so the next one is A12. A12 is going to be minus 3 plus 2, which is minus 1 divided by 2. A13 is going to become minus 3 plus 3 divided by 2, which is basically 0. So A13 is going to be 0. The next one will write A21. So A21 is going to become minus 6 plus 1, minus 5 by 2. Next A22 is going to become minus 6 plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2. A23. This is going to become minus 6 plus 3. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. Minus 3 by 2. Alright. Then finally we have A31, which is minus 9 plus 1. Minus 8 by 4. Minus 8 by 2 is minus 4. A32. Minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. Minus 7 by 2. And A33 is going to become minus 9 plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3 is going to become minus 6. Minus 6 by 2 is minus 3. Okay, so finally we are going to have matrix A. The first value is minus 1. Minus 1 by 2, 0. Next, minus 5 by 2, minus 2, minus 3 by 2. Then minus 4, minus 7 by 2, minus 3. Okay, so this is the answer for the third question. Fair enough? Now, 3 questions we did where you created a matrix, correct? You formed a matrix. In the next set of problems, you are going to see problems based on equality of the matrices. Okay, so after this, we are going to solve 3 more questions based on equality of matrices. Alright, look at these 3 problems. See, in these three problems, the first thing is you are doing the equality of matrices, correct? Now, very first thing is order should be the same. This I have repeated before also. Again, I am repeating. So, what you have is, if the order of the two matrices are equal, only then you will be able to equate it. Okay, look at the first one. So simple to do. See, in the first one, you have 4, 3, x, 5 is equal to y, z, 3, w. Equate accordingly, because you are trying to find the value of x, y, z. So whatever is the unknown you have, you are trying to figure out the value of that, correct? So that means what will be the first value? Here you can say x value is equal to 3, correct? First one. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, then z is equal to 3, w is equal to 5. See, so easy. This is basically equating the matrices and figuring out the unknown values. Fair enough? Let's do the next one now. Look at the next one. Again, guys, directly you can do it. Okay, now when you are equating here, so you are going to get x plus y is equal to 6, because the first row, first element, correct? First row, first column, x plus y is equal to 6. Then you are going to have 5 plus z is equal to 5. So that means z value is equal to 5 plus 0, right? 0. Z value becomes 0. Then you have xy is equal to 8. Now look at this. Take these two equations. See these two equations? You have x plus y is equal to 6 and xy is equal to 8. Fair enough? Now you have to solve it as a quadratic equation. You can say that x is equal to 6 minus y. Substitute this in xy. So you can write 6 minus y into y is equal to 8. So 6y minus y square is equal to 8, or y square minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. So now what I'll do? I'll do the calculation on the other side here. See, you can split it as 4 and 2, correct? That means here you will get y square minus 4y minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. So y into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 4 is equal to 0. Or you get y minus 4 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. That means what are the values of here? So it means we'll get y value is either equal to 4 or y value is equal to 2. Isn't it? That means when you have y value as 4, what will be the x value? X value will be equal to 2. Isn't it? When y value becomes 2, x value becomes 4. That means the final answer, what you can write, so x value is equal to say 4, y value is equal to 2, and then z value is equal to 0. Correct? This is 1. Or you can also write x value is 2, y value is 4, and z value is 0. So finally you will get these two as the answers. Okay, you just have to solve quadratic equation, you guys will get the answer. Very easy. Okay, let's do the third question now. Look at the third one. Again guys, equate. See, when you're equating, you can start by saying a minus b is equal to minus 1. First equation. 2a plus c is equal to 5. Next, 2a minus b is equal to 0. And 3c plus d is equal to 13. Correct? Now what we'll do, we'll call this as 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 equations are there. Now take equation 1 and equation 3. Take these two. See, what do you have? A minus b is equal to minus 1. 2a minus b is equal to 0. Now you can do substitution or elimination, any one of it. Basically you have to get the answer. So what I would do is, here I would subtract these two. So when I subtract, see what's going to happen here? The b gets cancelled out. So minus a is equal to minus 1, a is equal to 1. So once we got the value of a as 1, now it's all about substitution, correct? So substitute a value as 1 in equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. You will pretty much get the value of b and c, correct? So substitute a value as 1. So substitute a is equal to 1 in equation 1, equation 2. Or you can keep it in equation 2 and equation 3. It doesn't make much of a difference anyway. Now what do you get? If you substitute in equation 1, 1 minus b is equal to minus 1. So b is equal to 2. So you got the value of b also. B value is 2. Now let's do for c. So for the c, you substitute in equation 2. 2 plus c is equal to 5. C is equal to 3. So you got the value of c as 3. Now you need to get the value of d, right? So for d, you take equation 4. C value is 3, correct? Substitute c as 3. So we'll do it here itself. So when you substitute, put c is equal to 3 in equation 4. Okay? So you will get 3 into 3 is 9 plus c is equal to 13. So c is equal to 4. So we got all the 4 values. See, a is 1, b is 2, c is 3. Oh, and this is supposed to be d. So this is d. This is d. D value is equal to 4. So a is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the answers. I hope you guys understood how to do equality of matrices and problems based on this. Okay, now in the next video, you guys are going to understand properties of matrices. The 4 algebraic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, but not exactly division, but you will see what we can do with the matrices. Alright, so in the next video, you guys will see the algebraic properties of matrices.